so long. Have you found the crown?
Does it, seem like there's a crown in all this garbage, Meowster?
Check again! Check, double check, triple checkaroo! These aren't your usual ruins. The crown is worth a fortune. It contains the power from the legends.
Crown we found! Done and done!
So, there was a crown after all! I knew it! Hold on, not so fast! Wait, who are you again? Where do you think you're taking this cool, classy crown? 'Cause it ain't yours, it's ours!
That's busted! Ah.
Snowy Dog has the crown!
Stop, thief! Bad dog, get back here! Bad, bad, bad!
Give me the soul gem embedded into your blade. I will bring that power to much better use.
You'll never cease to disappoint me, Dark Choco Cookie.
Wait! Let's talk it over! With words!
This is between the two of us. Move aside!
I might have been your son, but now I have surpassed your strength. This is my final warning, Father.
Don't you dare call me that with that wicked tongue of yours!
Stubborn old fool! Time to put this miserable charade to an end.
You whelp! Your wicked arrogance knows no bounds! So be it. It is my life's greatest regret to have called you my son! Time for me to set things straight.
The soul gem! Give it to me!
I have bad news for you, boy. I do not have it with me.
Then our conversation ends here.
You're nothing without its power. Ah!
No one can survive falling from this height. Was this my destiny all along? The king, this entire kingdom, decimated by my own hand. What a waste. Is this my limit? Is this how far my strength could take me?
Strength. Yes. It was I who taught you to wish for strength, was it not? I taught you how to wield the sword, and yet I never taught you why. I'm sorry. This realization was gravely overdue.
Finally, the thief who stole the other half of my soul gem.
So, you are the one who calls himself Burning Spice Cookie.
My master. Apologies.
Good. Laughing when your general is injured?
You did quite the number on Nutmeg Tiger Cookie. I'm thoroughly impressed. Yes, excellent. I like my prey to have a little fight in them. So please, entertain me! That was too easy. All the waiting I've endured for this? Your Majesty! No. This won't do. No, no, no. The bird hunt can't end like this. Where's the thrill?
My radiance is yours, O Golden One. Soar. Let the wings of abundance carry you.
Oh! Ha-ha! You will suffer!
Burning spice cookie. It seems the tide of change has turned in my favor. You do not deserve even the smallest snitch of my treasures. Rest assured, I brought you here for our mutual benefit. I did say I would grant you what you desired.
Huh? What? I just heard something. Something like empty words! And coming from a half a cookie like you...
Indeed. To retrieve the soul gem from the heroes, you will need strength that rivals theirs. Obviously, the soul gem can't be taken by force. We need to corner the heroes, drive them to the brink. Surely you have realized it by now, even if you refuse to accept it. For you have already known defeat. I assure you, it was not my intention to offend anyone.
You thought I'd take the bait, didn't you? That I'd fall into such a painfully obvious little jab.